In this video, I will show you how to use a twin trading technique. I will have two different examples and I will use gold currency. First example will have one trade with one lot which is divided into two trades with 0.5 lot per trade. I will open two pending buy orders. It will be two buy stop orders where I am expecting the price will go higher from the current price. First I will open first buy order. It will be a buy stop order with the price which is currently above than the current price. Then I will put stop loss which will be 20 pips, and then I will put take profit which will be 10 pips. Then I will open a second pending buy order. It will be also buy stop with 0.5 lot. The price will be the same as the first one. Then stop loss will be 20 pips, and then take profit will be 20 pips, 10 pips higher than the first one. Okay, great. Now you can see two orders open. Sorry, I made a mistake. The one order doesn't have 20 pips stop loss. I will change that. So both orders are open with the 20 pips stop loss. Okay, now I have two pending orders, one with 10 pips profit and second with 20 pips profit. First order is $50 and the second order is $100, and the stop loss each will have $100 stop loss. Now I need to wait until the market makes a move. I'm expecting the price move higher, but first I need to wait until the market opens my two pending orders. Now you can see the price is moving higher. Okay, and I have now opened my two orders, and now I wait until the first trade closes with a profit. Now I am expecting the price will move higher. Okay, now I have moved forward, and now the market will reach the first trade profit. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Come on. Okay. This profit will be $50. Okay, a little bit more. I will also speed up this video a little bit. Okay, almost. Okay, here it is, almost. Few seconds more, and now the first target is closed. Now I'll move the take profit from the second target up there a little bit. I will check a higher time frame. Okay, now this is a good position. Great. Okay, the first trade is closed with the profit with $50. Now I'm expecting and waiting until the price moves up and reach the second profit I have placed, which is a little bit higher. Now I'll also wait until the market reaches the second take profit. A little bit more. Let's wait. A few more seconds. Okay, almost. Okay, now we'll move again to take profit from the second target because the price is moving higher and I would like to make more money. Now I will also move the stop loss to be in profit. Great. A little bit more because the price is moving higher. Great. Now I am sure that this second trade will be ended with a profit, with small profit, if the price goes down and close with stop loss, or it will move up and close with the take profit. Now let's wait what the market will do. Okay, a few seconds more. I will also speed up. A little bit more. Now you can see I'm already $158.60 in profit. Now over $200 in profit. but have in mind that the first trade has closed with $50 in profit. Okay, now what you can see here, I will move again, second trade take profit because I would like to make more money, and I will move stop loss below this candle open price, low price, sorry, because I am expecting the price will move higher. If the price goes down, then it will close with the stop loss in profit. The stop loss is currently set to $106, which is great. Now I need to wait what the price will do. Will it move higher and reach the take profit, or it will close with stop loss? If you want, you can leave the take profit on the first level, but I would like to seize the opportunity and make more money if it is possible. And I'm moving stop loss each time the new candle is formed, which is higher than the previous. Okay, now we have a bearish candle, which means the market will probably move down and close this trade with the stop loss. Okay, let's see, a few seconds more. Okay, now what you can see here, two trades has been closed with a profit, totally with $156 in profit, which is great. The idea here is, if you want to open a one order, you can use twin trading technique and divide that one order into two trades with half of the lot size you have planned on one trade. I have planned to open one buy order on a gold currency with a one standard lot, but I have divided that trade into two separate trades with 0.5 lot. But I want to show you a second example with three trades, because I wanted to open one trade with 1.5 lots. And I have divided that one trade into three trades with 0.5 lots per trade. Current balance is $9,388.17. And I would like to make money with these three trades, but let's see what happens. First, I will open first order. Okay. Now I will open pending order. It will be a buy stop order where I'm expecting the price will move higher than the price is currently on the market. I will put stop loss and take profit. Stop loss will be again 20 pips, and take profit on the first trade will be 10 pips. Okay, now the second trade, the price will be the same as the first one. Stop loss will be 20 pips. Sorry, I need to modify the first order first. Stop loss was not set correctly. The stop loss will be 20 pips, and take profit will be 10 pips. Okay, this is okay. Modify, great. Now I will open a second trade. It will be also pending buy order, buy stop order. The entry price will be the same as first order. Okay, let's change this. Stop loss will be 20 pips. And take profit will be 20 pips. Great. 10 pips more than the first one. Now open the third pending order with the same price and with the stop loss 20 pips, same as two previous ones, and take profit will be 30 pips. It is 10 pips more than the second trade. Please. Okay, great. Okay, now I have opened all three trades. The stop loss per trade is $100. Take profit on the first trade is $50, second $100, and on the third is $150. Now I need to wait until the first trade close with profit. We need to wait the market to move, to make a move. Okay. Okay, come on, come on. Okay, the price is moving higher. This is great. Now all 3 orders has been opened, and now I need to wait until the first trade close with the profit. The profit will be $50. If the market moves against me, I will lose $100 per trade, but let's hope the price goes up. Okay, it's moving up a little bit more. Okay, the candle has closed bullish. Now let's say, well, let's wait the second candle. Okay, it's moving up. Now the second candle has been closed. The price has moved a little bit up. And let's wait until the price goes up. Come on. I will speed up. Okay, a few seconds more. Okay, the first trade closed. Okay, now we will move second trade take profit higher. Let's do that. And also move the third trade take profit higher. Okay. Now I need to wait and again price to move higher. Let's wait a few seconds more. Okay, it is close to the second take profit. Great. Now the second take profit has been closed with the profit. Now I will move stop loss and take profit of the third trade a little bit higher. Now the third trade cannot be closed in loss, it will be closed with profit. What you can see here, now I have moved stop loss below this candle low. Now currently we are in profit over $200. This is great, with 2 trades closed. And we are sure that the third trade will close with profit. Now we will wait until market moves. Okay, now I will move again stop loss a little bit higher. It will be below this candle low. Great. Let's wait again until the market makes a move higher or lower. Okay. Okay, the next candle has been closed. I will move again stop loss below this candle low, and this will be $123 of profit if the trade close. Okay, the 3 trades has been closed, the last one without take profit, but stop loss activated in profit. Totally I have $331.50 of profit with 3 trades. What you have seen this is the similar as the first trade example I have shown you, but in this trade example I have used 3 trades where I have wait until the first trade close with a profit, and then I have moved stop loss and take profit from the second and the third trade. Then I have waited until the market moves in my direction and the second trade has closed with take profit. Then I have moved stop loss and take profit from the third trade a little bit higher, and later on the trade has been closed with the stop loss activated, but the stop loss has been closed with the profit. I hope these 2 examples have shown you what twin trading means, what you can achieve with them, and how to minimize the risk on one trade that you want to open by opening several trades with a smaller lot size. If you have any question, feel free to leave the comment below in the comment section, and if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading!